Hey fellow flowers, Violet here and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make this lanyard design, which is called the Cheetah stitch. Basically, you get this cool alternating pattern of brown and black, which kind of looks like cheetah print. To make this design, you will need brown and black, of course, and then a third color of your choosing. Now I'll post links down below to CRAFTLACE that you can get from Amazon if you're interested in supporting the channel. We will cut 3 strings to be the same length, a brown, a black, and then a white string. And then I'm cutting one more piece of string, which is going to be a black string, and I'm making that string twice as long as the other 3 strings. Then to actually start the lanyard, I'm going to grab all of the ends of the strings and gather them in one hand. And then I'm going to sort them and then grab them at their midpoint. And then of course that black string is longer than the rest. So I'm just going to isolate that string in my hand, figure out which one it is, pull on it a little bit, and then I'll grab that end point as well. And just like so, and then I'll pull it to even that one out as well. The idea is that you want all of your strings to have equal lengths on both sides if you're holding it in your hand. Okay, for this next step, we're essentially going to start the corkscrew, I swear I stutter in every video, the corkscrew stitch, which means that we're going to take that long string, lay it vertically on our hand, and then take the other 3 strings and lay them horizontally. Then I want to arrange the strings so that the white string is in the middle, and then the brown and black strings form an X over that white string. That step is what is going to give you that alternating cheetah effect where you have brown and black going along the edges of your corkscrew. So I'm going to place my thumb over that and hold it, and then we're going to actually start it. So to start this, I'm grabbing the top string here, this black string, which is my main string, and I'm going to form 2 loops. So pull that down, and then I'll grab the bottom one and bring that up. And now I need to grab the black string on the side here and weave it over and under these main strings. So we'll go over that one and underneath this one. And then I need to grab the brown string, which is on the other side, and do the same thing, where I go over the black string that is closest to it and underneath the next one. So over that black one and underneath that one, which is the opposite of what we did with the black. But we're going to do it again with the white. So I'll go over the black string, which is closest to it, and underneath the black string that is farther from it, and then pull it through. And I'll just have to even that string out because you can see it's kind of getting a little twisty on me. And then I'll move that out of my way and I'll grab its pair over here, the white pair right here, and I'll do the same. I'll go over this black string underneath this one, and you'll want to make sure that you're not accidentally going through one of the loops you already made, because then it's going to kind of mess everything up. So make sure everything's staying straight. Finally, for the last pair, I'll grab the brown that is on the right and I'll go over the black string closest to it underneath the loop of the other one. Pull him through. And then we'll finish off by grabbing this black one in here. So I need to reach into my hand, find the black string, and we'll go over and under one more time. And then we'll pull it all tight. After doing those steps correctly, you should have something that looks like this. And from here, you can choose to either do a zigzag or a twisted version of this. However, if you do decide to do a straight brick wall, you will not get the same alternating effect. So check it out. You do not want to go straight across like this. You want to go off to the side of the black string like that. And then you make your second loop. That's the main difference with doing straight versus twisty, but again, you need to do some element of twisty to get it to do the alternating cheetah print design. You'll want to work at whichever stitch you choose, either zigzag or twist, until you come to a point where you have about 2 inches left of string, at which point we can finish by tucking the strings underneath their neighbors. So I'll grab this white string and I'll tuck it underneath its neighboring white loop, grab the black one, tuck it underneath its neighboring brown, take this guy, tuck him under that loop. Do that for all of them, and then we'll pull all those strings through the center as tightly as we can, and then we can trim them off. And voila, that is how you make the cheetah stitch for the corkscrew lanyard. Thanks so much for watching. I will see you in the next one. Till then, keep blooming. Bye.